Yep.
All right. Happy Sunday. Ryan's behind the phone today, and so I get to show you what we've just done. Unfortunately, we have no video today because what started off last week as I'm just going to cut some grooves into the wall, and a channel for the electrical turned into let's tear the entire house apart. So we've completely gutted it to the point where we are not even staying here because there's no place to live. There's no water, there's no walls, there's no floors, there's nothing.
All right, let's go look at it. All right, I'm gonna go. All right. This is what we got. Yeah, this is the living room. What was the living room? Here's the bedroom, totally gutted, primed for a little cement. And here's what we did. Totally tore up the walls. We're gonna do the plumbing in the kitchen and in the bathroom. We just took everything out, all the tile, everything. It's a mess.
It's a mess. But like on a positive note, it's a clean slate. And we've picked out tile for the bathroom, which is beautiful. We already have tile for the living room, which we already know. And we've designed our kitchen, so we'll be good on that. So next week.
All right.
Ciao.
Ciao.